Rolling.
Oh God. Okay. This ain't gonna work. I don't think. It's too
I don't really want to die. Tell me when I'm in the middle. Tell me when I'm in the middle.
Oh my God, you are playing with fire right now.
Oh, Jesus Christ. This is so awkward.
Is it? Is this awkward? Alright, so here's the tea. A bird shit on my car, and we all know birds are fake. Open your third eye, fourth eye, and fifth eye. Look it up. Google it. Trump invented birds so he can spy on black people. Birds aren't real. Trump invented birds. A bird shit on my car. So in effect, Trump shit on my car. Hold on. Hold on, where am I? Where am I? Is this the present? Is this the present? Is this the present? Am I back in the present? I'm a finger! Be honored by my lateness that I would even show up to this fake shit. So go ahead, go nuts, go ape shit.
Hello. I know when you're recording a video now, there's that boop.
The noise.
Not fast enough. Do you know that commercial that I'm referencing?
I'm supposed to be in rehearsals right now, but like it's really pretty outside, and like I'm wearing a cool shirt. Check out my cool shirt. Yeah, I hope you're all having a blessed, beautiful, beautiful week. And I love you all, no matter what, okay? Peace.
You have like fake eyelashes.
Just mascara.
Are you taking a video or a picture?
That's never happened to me.
Your legs are fascinating.
Oh God, what does that mean?
The way they're positioned.
She already has the part, and yet it's a casting couch.
There's a door here? You have anything profound to say to the camera?
I forget. Where does that even come from? What's behind?
My mother said if you have nothing nice to say, don't say anything at all.
It's the suitcase. Oh, yeah.
It's a beautiful evening at this motherfucking Target. Bye!